This right here is an investment grade nitro. Two-speed, baby! Oh. You just can't get a nitro like I always say. Whoa, almost into the wall, but look at those brakes, they saved me.
And now, make nitro great again. Buy more nitro.
Oh, wheelie, oh!
What's up, guys? You're watching the Nitro World Order. I am one step closer to making nitro great again. And I am gonna do that by restoring this old HPI Savage X4.6. This may look like a completely new model, but this is one of the first X4.6 models that were made. As I was going over the chassis, you know, I wanted to like go start it up at night, see if the motor runs, do this and that, and then it turns out that the backplate on the motor is completely different than the typical HPI rotor start system. It turns out there were many variations of the Savage X4.6 model, including the motor and the starting assembly in the back. I did a lot of digging online, and now we're all going to learn something. The rotor start system that I have in the HPI is this 87630. You could tell by this little arrow I have pointing to the 87630 on top here. And if you notice, you go all the way down this list, there's a Y here. So this is telling us that the Savage X4.6, the model that we have, is the F4.6 V2. And the only rotor start compatible unit is this 87630. So of course I did some more digging. And this is, as I said, what it looks like. This is the HPI Nitro Start system. They call it the Nitro Start. So as I click on it, here it is. It looks absolutely nothing like the typical rotor start. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Basically, it's just a drill with this hex at the end, which is pretty nice. Let's take a look at the other one. This is the typical HPI rotor start. Whether you have the rotor start 2 or the regular rotor start, it's basically the same. You have like a little shaft here with a dog bone looking thing at the end here, and the back plate, of course, is completely different. Most HPI engines, they have this starting system. I actually find it very interesting that this particular one uses this Nitro Start. Now, this is both good and bad. What's good about it is the starting shaft I have for my MGT 8.0 will work on this Savage. The bad thing is, finding yourself a Nitro Start like this on eBay is nearly impossible. I looked up a couple of them, and it is very rare, and the shaft is usually not included. I did mention in the last video that this does come with the Nitro Start backplate. Take a look at the picture of the Nitro Start itself, and you could tell it is completely different from the typical HPI Rotor Start 2 system, which every single modern HPI uses. And I actually have never owned an HPI with a Nitro Start backplate, which this particular truck has.
Pretty sweaty in here.
One of the first things I like to do is remove the coolant head, check inside the motor. Now, in the last part, I did verify that this motor has very good compression. I did spin over this flywheel, and there was a whole bunch of resistance. I did a couple of items off camera, but I'll just show you pictures here, guys. The motor is in normal condition inside. I cleaned the carburetor fully by removing it and washing it in the sink. And I also put in a brand new Traxxas air filter that I got from Jenny's RC. Oh, what's that over there? Well, that's currently a project I'm working on. It has a terrible carb, so I have a whole bunch of carbs floating around here on the back of it. Yep, that's right. Nitro projects all the time. Radio system is on. Let me show you the steering. This is all stock steering. Brakes work. Here we go. Can't move the car back and forth. Brakes are awesome on the Savage. You can't kill the brakes on a Savage. I'll tell you that for sure. Just put enough, basically everything I had left in this Bones Brew here. The drill right here, basic drill. Just gonna stick it in here with the Rotor Start tool. Let's prime it. Okay, I saw fuel in the fuel lines. That's all that matters. Will it fire? Oh yeah, baby! You can't kill a nitro! up again. Give you a better look of the rotor start system. Easy. You just can't kill a nitro, baby. You can't kill it. I verified that the thing starts, it fires up. There don't seem to be any kind of air leaks. And now, make nitro great again. Buy more nitros. The low speed needle pinch test. You saw me plug the exhaust line here with my fingers. It's sped up for about 4 to 5 seconds. That means that the low speed needle tune is ideal. Now you heard the 2-speed shift. It shifts a little bit early. I still have to do a little bit of adjustment. I wasn't gonna do it in this video, but you know what? I opened up the 2-speed adjusting access hole right here, and I'm getting the job done because every 2-speed I own hits that second gear, baby. I have adjusted the 2-speed with this 2mm hex. I'm not gonna show how it's done. It's done, it's easy, you could do it. If I can do it, everybody could do it. Let's start her up again, and we're gonna see if that shift point is on point, so to say. Watch this. Now that is a savage startup, baby. Gotta warm it up. That should be good. Do a short warm-up run. You don't want to hit that 2-speed right away. 2-speed, baby! It was great, oh my God. Let's come back. 2-speed, baby! Shifting is ideal. 2-speed, baby! And those brakes. 2-speed, baby, all day long. Oh, wheelie! Oh! Did you see that? And I'm running super rich! We're richer than ex-President Donald Trump, baby! And it's even wheeling! Oh! 2-speed, baby! You just can't kill a nitro like I always say.
right, monster truck, the stability is fantastic. Whoa, almost into the wall, but look at those brakes, they saved me. Whoa. Incredible performance, wow. Look at that idle. All that bashing, it still returns down to a normal low idle. Wow. I love it, guys, I love it. The cooling head running great, not even that hot. Wow, guys, I am amazed. This thing ran so nice. It didn't shut off a single time. I had to richen the carb a little bit. There was a little bit of a hesitation. I think you heard it when it was running. It was about to shut down. I also adjusted the brakes a little bit, but now the motor is running great. This is 30% Bones Brew Nitro. This right here is an investment grade Nitro. Buy an HPI, you will never lose money. You don't even need your quarterly statements from your brokers because guaranteed, the Nitro gang, we're accountable. Oh. Running out of fuel, it's running out of fuel, guys. About to run out of fuel, guys. Yep, leaned out there towards the end. Ran out of fuel there at the end because our tank, it's empty, baby. You just can't kill an HPI Savage. Really, you can't kill any Nitro because no Nitro will ever die on this channel. Every 2-speed will be at the optimal point after tuning by the Nitro gang because the 2-speed, that's where you're gonna take out those armors because I got 2 speeds, you got 0 speeds. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later.
Look at this.
Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Ooh. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Ooh. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties. Ooh. I'm Steph Curry, when I hit the 3,
If you smell what the Nitro gang is cooking.
Your girl so fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to. Ooh.
Nitro World Order.
Nitro World Order.